Let's begin our coverage with the Pulwama-like terror attack by Jaish and Hizbul Mujahideen, which was foiled by our forces. An improvised explosive device was recovered from a Centro car in Rajpora in Kashmir's Pulwama district. It was detonated by a controlled explosion by the personnel of the bomb disposal squad. The car was driven by a terrorist who escaped after initial firefighting. The IED, with an estimated weight of 40 kilograms, was planted in a white Centro car which had a fake number plate, after which the car was tracked to Shadipura. The case will now be handed over to the National Investigation Agency. The modus operandi of this terror bid looks strikingly similar to the 14th February 2019 Pulwama terror attack, the worst ever on Indian security personnel.
खास करके जैश मोहम्मद हरदम प्रयास करता रहा है कि बड़ा सा सेंसिटिव अटैक करे, सेंसेशनल। जैसे कि आप लोग देखे होंगे कि पिछले 4 महीना में जैश मोहम्मद का कमांडर कारी यासिर मारा गया, HM का रियाज नाको मार गया, उसका डिप्टी चीफ जुनेद सिफला मार गया। ये लोग भी प्रेशर में है कि और ये लोग जो नए लीडरशिप इनका है, ये चाहता है बड़ा हादसा करके और ये दिखाना चाहे नैरेटिव पे है कि मिलिटेंट का अपहरण है, जो हम लोग नहीं होने देंगे। इस टाइप का तैयारी करने में कम से कम 1 से 2 महीना टाइम लगता है और हम लोग को पिछले 2 महीना से काफ़ी खबर आ रहा है कि इसका हादसा करने वाला है। जंगे बदर के दिन हम लोग काफ़ी अप्रेंशन में थे कि ऐसा अटैक कर सकता है, लेकिन उस टाइम हम लोग बहुत प्रिमिटिव में चल रहे थे। ऑपरेशन भी बहुत तेजी के ला दिए थे, कॉर्डन सर्च चल रहा था, तो उस टाइम ये लोग नहीं कर पाया था। यूरिया नाइट्रेट का यूज किया गया इसमें।
कितना मात्रा में किया हुआ है?
करीब 40 से 45 kg है।
तो लगभग उतना ही जितना पुलवामा के ब्लास्ट में हुआ।
जी बिल्कुल,
उसी तरह से
बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट।
तो अब NIA इस मामले को जांच करेगा आगे?
इनिशियल तो हम ही लोग करें, अगर देखते हैं कि जरूरत पड़ेगा NIA टीम को हम लोग दे सकते हैं।
कुछ लोग में जो अमन, अब शांति के साथ अमन हो रहा है, कुछ ताकतों को ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा है। वो चाहते हैं कि कश्मीर में फिर अफरा तफरी और यहाँ मिलिटेंसी के वाक़ात बढ़े। और आज जो सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस ने जो आज पुलवामा में जो कार बम जो डिफ्यूज किया है, ये पुलवामा जैसा एक और ही एक्ट था। शुक्र है पुलिस की ने इसको वक्त पे ही नाकाम बना दिया और एक बहुत बड़े हादसे से इन लोगों को बचाया।
Haq is now reporting from Srinagar, joining us for the very latest on this. Shuja, we do know that the 40 kilograms of IED was safely detonated. It's a huge shot in the arm coming in for our Indian security forces. Is there anything else that India needs to worry about at this point of time?
Well, yes, it is a huge success for the security forces, particularly the anti-insurgency grid that exists in the valley. But it at the same time is a cause of concern because, you know, the fact that there was close to more than 40 kgs of IED explosive material that was actually being collected and was in fact ready to be transported in a vehicle, and perhaps, as per the security officials are saying, perhaps also being used for a target, very soon. This is a huge cause of establishment. There would be many questions that the investigation will have to sort of work on. First of all, how did all this explosive material, once again manage its way in South Kashmir? Who were the people behind it? What kind of links does this entire issue have, and where exactly would they trace out the mastermind of this plan? Those are the things that would be very crucial to understand in it, because as we've been pointing out, this is almost the same modus operandi that was used in 2019, that major terror attack, which was devastating to say the least. So we, at this point of time, can only hope that the investigating agencies would try and figure out the entire network, the links that were connected with this, so that at least such incidents do not happen again in future.
Haq getting us all those latest details right there. On to another big story we're tracking right here on India Today. India Today has exclusively accessed a heat map of the line of actual control. We're bringing you that story in just.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.